Welcome to our video on how to make voice commands on smartphones in 2025. Let's explore the importance and functionality of voice commands today. In 2025, many smartphones have integrated advanced voice assistants. We will review the most popular devices and their unique features. Let's set up your voice command features. Follow these simple steps on your device's settings menu to get started. Training your voice assistant is crucial for accuracy. Here's how to ensure it understands your commands perfectly. Customize your experience by creating unique voice commands. Let's go through this step by step to make it your own. Integrate your voice commands with your favorite apps and smart home devices to streamline your daily tasks. Running into issues? Don't worry. Here are some common problems and how to fix them quickly. Privacy is key. Learn how to manage data and security settings when using voice assistants to protect your information. What's next for voice command technology? Let's explore exciting trends that will shape our interactions with devices. Embrace the world of voice commands for a hands-free experience. Upgrade your smartphone use today.